So today we are learning a programming language. You can say that a computer language that help us talk to computers. That language name is nothing but Python. So what is Python? Python is nothing but a programming language which help us to communicate with the computers. So now the teaching style of mine is nothing like let's start with what is Python and how Python came into existence, what is the father of Python. It's not like that. So before going to start with Python, let me tell you what does this word Python means. So you can say that we know that Python is a programming language. In computer, Python is nothing but a programming language. But no one will tell you what this word Python includes. It includes P. What does this P means? It includes Y. What does this Y means? It includes T. What is this T means? What is this H means? What is this O means? And what is this N means? Correct? So here now if we need to learn anything or any programming language, we must need to start from very basic and from very scratch. So here the word Python is nothing but a name of a programming language as we already know. But this word Python made up of characters which includes P, Y, T, H, O, N. So here, what does this P means? P is nothing but it means a problem solver. So which means Python help us to solve problems. For example, addition, games, calculator, drawing, robot. So you can say that Python is like a smart helper. What does this Y means? Y is nothing but your friend. Your friend. So Python is easy to learn. Even kids can learn Python. The character T means is nothing but technology. Nothing but technology. Which means Python is used in technology in games, apps, YouTube, AI and robots. And this H means helpful, which help means helpful. That means Python help humans to work faster. For example, if we are calculating marks, if we are sending messages, if we are making website, so here Python helps humans to do work faster. O means is nothing but organizer, is nothing but organizer. Organizer. O is nothing but organizer, which means Python keeps instruction organized. Like step 1, you need to do this, step 2, you need to do this, step 3, you need to do this, which means computer follows instruction one by one. Step 1, then step 2, then step 3. And here the last character N, N means never gave up. Never gave up. Never give up, which means programming teaches us practice, thinking, patience. Even if I code gives errors, we try again. The fun definition for Python is nothing but Python is a simple computer language. You can say that Python is a simple computer language. Python is a simple computer language. Computer Python is a simple computer language that helps humans talk to computers. Talk to computers. Fine. So If we start with writing a Python program or any program, the first thing which comes in our mind is nothing but how to print. So there is an inbuilt function print which helps to print hello students. This is nothing but a string that we can understand later how we can know that this is a string, how print is a function. Okay, so for now you just understand that word this print word means is nothing show something on screen. So something on screen, correct? And this hello word is nothing but a message which gives the output hello student, correct? So till here everything is clear. This is a few minutes demo. Thank you.